Hello and welcome to another video. Today we're talking about dates. So in column B here I've got some order dates that we've got from our system, and we want to extract the year, month and day from them. So we're going to use the year function and link to the serial number for that reference, giving us the year. We're going to use the month function to pull out the month, and then the day function here to pull out the day into here. Now we may find that you've got dates that you want to extract and you've got from your system columns C, D and E, and you want to group them together and create a date. So you can use the date function here, linking into the year and into the month and into the day to create a date format. We're also going to do a week number, so maybe you want to do some analysis based on the week for that date, that serial date. So here we're going to do the week number, link to the serial. Just a point of reference here, you can determine what is the start day of the week, so we'll just leave it as Sunday for now, and then we'll close the bracket. And then the weekday is another format that you can use. Again, you can choose which of the day, start of the week, that you would refer to, using the number 1, 2, etc. We'll just use 1 for now. And then the last one is a fairly new formula, which is end of month. So here you can bring in the serial number, and then you can bring in the months. So 0 is the current month. So here the date here is in January, so this will be January 31st. You can adjust this by adding a different number at the end. So if you do 1 here, it'll bring you the last day of the next month. You can do negative numbers as well to bring it to the prior month as well. Of course, these are all formulas, so we can copy these down and populate them for our entire range. Hopefully this was helpful. We'll talk to you again on the next video. Thank you.